Hello and welcome. It is Sunday afternoon, about 10 minutes after 3. The first market bell just clunked 10 minutes ago, so I decided to make a video and see if we can get into an actual trading position. Normally I don't trade on Sundays, but I wanted to make this video, so let's see what brings. Well, as always, I start with my actual analysis. So we'll go to the weekly chart first, and based on what we're seeing here, we're clearly still right here having a ceiling, and we're having a floor, and nothing is really giving. So we're still flat, we're still consolidated. Let's see what we have with the daily, which will tell us the current market trend. And here too we are having a support, and here we're having a resistance. However, the market is pointing up, and as I left it with the previous video, it never went below, when it retraced, it never went below the 20 SMA. This tells me that we may be possibly on the upswing. So let's see what we have on the daily, on the 4-hour chart. And in the 4-hour chart, we can clearly see that the CCI is pointing up, and the direction is tilted up as well. On the actual 4-hour chart, price is above the fast SMA. The fast SMA is above the slow SMA, and the overall market for the 4-hour is above the 20 SMA. This tells me that we have a possible buy opportunity. My bot confirms, so I am going to actually enter this trade, and we'll see what happens. So my bot allows me to trade immediately here. I click buy, and there we go. It tells me that my buy order has been placed, and I am done, and I'm in the trading module. Of course, we immediately, as you can tell right here, start out with a loss, and that is right here, as you can see. Oops, I did this kind of the wrong way. Let me go here. Well, it's I don't know what I did there, but you can tell immediately that we start out with a loss, and that is normal because that is brought on by the spread that we have to cover right here. There we go. So there's someone out here laughing. I'm sorry for the disturbance, but that's what it is. So let's get rid of all of this. Now, I entered my market. I entered my trade right here, and we'll see what happens. What do I do in the meantime? Well, I like to do two more things while my trade is going. Number one, I want to point where I entered, which is about right there. And now I want to see what lies ahead. How far could this trade possibly go until I run into quote-unquote problems again, or I need to make a different decision? Well, I can clearly see right around here, when you look closely, we have a consolidation of sorts. So if I were to take a line and put that and draw another horizontal line right here, that means I would have a run roughly about this distance from here to here. If market continues to go in my favor, we would have roughly this distance until we actually would be concerned about, is the market going to retrace or will it break through? Now, for devil's advocate, let's say that it actually, when this time comes, it will break through. Well, then the next level we have is clearly right over here, and we have the same consideration. Here we have a slight consolidation again, and that means that if I were to put a horizontal line right here, in case the market breaks through continuing here, it would have a solid run up to here. From here to here, that would be a really nice run. Right now, the market is clearly retracing. We're minus 200. It's okay. I'm not worried. I'll let it go for a while, and we'll take it from there. We'll see what happens. So this is how I enter a position. And in the next video, maybe I can show you how this played out. So for now, that's it. Stay tuned for my other video, and God bless.